What's up guys, welcome back with me Nike Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Kyrie 6 Neon Graffiti. So let's check it out. As you can see here on the first sample, you can see the eyelets here isn't centered. This one is slightly come up, and on the gap between the Nike embroidery and the eyelets, it's too close compared to the authentic one here. Another sample, you can see there is a lot more opening between the midsole and the outsole here. There is a lot more opening, this one also. And another sample, as you can see, the eyelet isn't centered. This one is slightly go down, this one is slightly come up. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you can see here on the marking area, the line on the upper here it doesn't connect with the line in the bottom here in the midsole. The line here is totally wrong. It's totally wrong. There's a missing one line here on the bottom, just like the authentic here. And this one on the marking area, the stitching here is slightly to the left. And moving to the back of the shoes, as you can see, there is a white glue stain on top of the midsole, and also there is a lot of opening between the midsole and the outsole. And another sample again, you can see the shape or the cut of the outsole here is looking terrible. There is a lot more opening. And this one also, the gap between the lining and the tip of the Nike swoosh is too close on the fake one compared to the authentic. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any questions, just write down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.